Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello. It is audible? Yeah. Today also demo class only, 1 or 2 classes, demo classes. Then we are starting our regular sessions. Anybody not attending yesterday class, don't afraid only. Just a small concept I'm telling only yesterday. Only one small concept I'm telling. What I'm telling? Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19C is a version number. Whenever we are installing this product in our system, then we can store data permanently in a hard disk. But these type of Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of softwares are also called as database softwares. These type of database softwares only stores a structured collection of data, I'm telling yesterday. Again, if you want to operate these databases, Oracle database, then we are using SQL is a language, PlSql, procedure language extension for SQL, and a dynamic SQL languages through we are operating data in a where this Oracle database. Up to this one, we are discussing yesterday. Okay, anybody not at me, just recorded videos. You have to observe it, then easily understandable. Okay, yeah, there is no problem. Now check it out. Some fellows having a doubt. What is that one, Murali sir? SQL is a structured query language. That is a non-procedure language. You are telling loops are not available, variables are not available. Very easiest language. Anybody also learning that language only. Through that language, anybody also operating relational databases. Okay, I'm agree. But why they are introducing another language in Oracle, PlSql? Really, this is required in a where project side. Some fellows having a doubt on. Now I will tell you, suppose SQL is a language is there, for example, observe here. SQL language is there. Where we are using this SQL language, so many application side. For example, www.onlinespa.com. I'm opening, for example. In a site, I'm opening only. A security reason side nowadays in a websites we are connect to the where server means. Suppose this is a username is there, my username. Okay, sir. Whenever I'm entering a username and password, you are observing or not, here enter the text shown in image. Security reason side, here captcha, it will be generated or not. This captcha, how it will be generated? By using some coding only. That is in a PlSql projects means SQL is a language is there. In that language, we are generating this coding only. This code we are connecting. Okay, suppose this captcha, suppose so many website side, security reason side, some captcha they're entering means then only it will be connected or not. Yes, yeah. Once the captcha connected, then only OTP is generated into your my mobile only. For example, in this application, my mobile. Now I'm entering that OTP only. But how it will be generated, this OTPs and also these captures means SQL language. I'm not entering because security is inside. Now here, observe it here. Now here, check it out. How we are generating that one means SQL language is enough. This is a PlSql is a coding is there, but SQL language is enough. Now here, check it out. Don't write it only, just observe it here. TBMS underscore random something is there. Okay, fine. Don't write it. Here, this is a value, something is there. Okay, fine. Here, OTP. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Something we are typing in a real-time project side. Then automatically this OTP is generated. Okay, fine. Some coding is there. This type of coding is called SQL coding only. No, SQL coding. Structure language. Only one line of 2 lines of coding is there. Yes, here OTP generated. Observe here. Is a random number. OTP generated or not? Yes. This number connect to the where, okay, so now your mobile, some coding is there. Don't worry. Suppose captcha we are generating means, how can I means something they are writing in a coding. Here, some coding is there, don't worry. Here, this is a captcha only. Whenever they are writing a word, this one, observe here, captcha, it will be generated or not? Yes, in a previous case, I'm entering a what captcha or not? Yes, here, anything random. So now here one time it will be generated, again, same thing is not there in another time. This captcha is generated. That's why these type of so many application side SQL knowledge is enough. OTP generation, captcha generation, so many application side. Yes, banking, depositing money means update statement, withdrawing a what money means again update statement, slight difference only. This type of one account to another account transferring a amount means two update statements we are using. That is one deposit, one withdraw, one adding, one is subtracting. Simple. Okay, fine. SQL knowledge is enough. But where the PlSql, procedural language concepts, PlSql is required in a project side. That is so many fellows having a doubt. Really PlSql, so many jobs are there. Whenever we are good at PlSql, means so many jobs are there. Also today I will tell you. So now check it out. Simple applications. Whenever you are a first time newcomer, just I am telling like this. So many fellows are going to banks, for example. Now check it out. For example, this is a bank is there. Okay, fine. Bank database is there within a database table. Okay, for example, okay, fine. I'm creating this one. Don't worry. Now within a fraction of second, you are understandable. Suppose actually bank is a table is there. Okay, don't write it. Just what is bank table? You don't have an idea. Just observe it here. Bank means account numbers are there. No, yeah. One or two values I'm taking. Don't worry. These are all the things in a feature you are familiar. This is the way you are creating in a real-time project side only, tables and all these things. Table format, don't worry. These are all the things in our course we are learning. Suppose here, this is a bank table is there, for example, because relational database means table format only, data is there in a feature. My account number 1001, for example, okay. My name is Murali. My balance is 2000 rupees are there, for example, okay, fine. In a one bank. Now another account holder 1002. Here ABC. Here 4000 is there. Okay. For example. Now here. Now check it out. These type of things you have to. Suppose here this is a bank table is there. 1 minute observe here. Yes. This is a bank is the bank table is there. For example, okay, fine, banking project is there. For example, in this bank, suppose SBI bank and anything. In this bank, SBI bank only, these are records 1001. My name Murali. My balance is how much? How much balance is there? 2000 rupees are there presently. Presently, only one ATM card is there, and also only one account is there in my account number. Okay, so now 1001 Murali. Okay, fine. I have only one account, for example, SBI account. Now, today I decided to withdraw some amount. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. Easy scenario. Here PlSql is required or not, you are only telling. Suppose here I'm going to ATM machine. Okay, fine. Any ATM, SBI or anything. Okay, fine. Now my balance is how much in my bank only, SBI bank. Here 2000 rupees are there presently. Okay, today. Now I am going to wear in a bank only ATM machine, and now here, yes, I'm inserting ATM card. I mentally decided to withdraw, yes, some amount. How much amount means I try to withdraw, yes, here 9000 rupees, for example, today. Now here. I want 9,000 rupees in my occasion of here. Yes, personal requirement based only 9,000 rupees. I'm mentally decided to withdraw today. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, my balance is how much is there? 2,000 rupees are there. Observe here. Presently, my balance is what? 2,000 rupees are there. Suppose I'm going to where occasion of ATM occasion mission. Just I'm inserting ATM card. So many options are there. Last only enter and after PIN number, last only enter amount. It will be asking or not. Whenever enter amount means I'm typing a what 9,000 like this only, 10,000, 9,000 like this only. Yes, what happened? Yes, it will give us a message. ATM machine gives a message insufficient funds. So now, for example, in this example side, why? Because now here, yes, here, why it will gives a what that message means. Observe it here. I am trying to withdraw more amount, suppose the 9,000 than the available balance. But mission knows what these all the things. No, same like you, some software programmers in a PLSQL, they're writing a coding. If user entered amount is more than the available balance, then this message they are writing, how they are writing means I will tell you. That's why that code is executed. Beautiful concept. Suppose here, now I try to withdraw. So now suppose here, I try to withdraw 500 rupees. Possible? Possible. Why? Because my balance is how much? 2,000 rupees. And now here, this is 5,000 is less than they were 2,000 rupees. That's why this is okay. I'm this much of money. I'm withdrawing only. And after that one, this 2,000 minus 500 means remaining 1,500 balance is available in a table or not? Yes, this your transaction is successful after withdrawing a what 500 rupees. Your transaction is successful is a message it will display. How it is possible? That is also coding. There is a PLSql coding. Suppose in a real-time project side, how they are writing a what coding means, don't write it. Just observe it. My interest purpose, I am telling. Withdraw means easily understandable. That's why. Suppose here they are writing a what coding only in a real-time projects like this. Don't write it anything. Just observe it here because you don't have an idea. These are all the things. Just logically observe it here. They are writing a procedures in a PLSql. So now creator, replace, procedure name, withdraw, something is there only. Okay, fine. Now they're passing a what here account numbers. In a future, you are also familiar. Don't write it. These are all the things you don't have an idea. Just logically observe it here. Logically, the amount I'm checking, ATM card, okay, based only amount like this. So much of scanning is there, but I'm not writing here. Yes, available balance I'm checking in a where in a database table. Okay, fine. How much amount is there? Okay, my balance is there. User entered account number. Some coding is there. Select into class something. Select a balance into v underscore balance. These are all the things you don't have an idea also. Just logically observe here what happened after writing coding. So now where account number is equal to p underscore account number. Yes, once balance I'm checking, then if I'm writing a coding only, if user entered amount logically is less than the available balance, there is no problem. So now here, yes, here, then update means affected only in a where bank is a table, set balance is equal to here balance, existing balance minus amount only, withdrawing purpose. And now here where account number is equal to p underscore account number. This is you don't have an idea also, just observe it here. Oh, maybe something is there they're writing. And now here your transaction is successful is a message it will display in ATM machines. Anybody observing? Yes. And now here observe it here. Transaction successful. I am writing transaction successful. And now here again, okay, that is data saved in a database committee only. Else, don't write it, don't just, this is, you don't have an idea. Observe it here logically. This is the way they're writing insufficient funds, no? Otherwise here insufficient, roughly funds I'm writing. Suppose I'm a PLSql programmer in a project side means I am writing like this type of coding easy. Suppose any problems are occurred, exception also there. Suppose in the middle of the transaction in ATM machine corrupted, power is gone. In that case, your amount is never lost. Why? Because They are writing a coding in exceptions, runtime errors only. Then roll back the transaction. Roll back means so now cancel the previous transaction. Like this, they are writing a coding. Okay, observe it here. Just here, they're writing a what? This piece of coding only. Now here, check it out. Here, this piece of coding only. This is called, yes, here PLSQL coding. Observe it here. This coding is also called as PLSQL coding. This is not a difficult coding, very easy. Logically, you are good means nothing. Within a fraction of a second, you are only telling. PLSQL, this is a procedural language, same like Java, .NET, C, C++, if condition, something. But that much of difficult coding is not there. Very easy coding. Logically, you are understandable. This is a PLSQL coding. Whenever they are writing a PLSQL coding, how it will be executed means, observe it here. Suppose I am testing. Now here, how can I just here ATM machine, ATM cards are not there. Programmatically, I am testing. Suppose here, yes, I am checking. P1 is a procedure I am using. No, yes, here. Now account number and amount I am passing. Suppose account number, my account number 1001. Okay, in this table, in this bank only, for example. Okay. Now I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees. Possible? No, not possible. Why? Because this 9,000 is more than the very available balance. Available balance how much? 2,000 only. Then automatically here insufficient funds is a coding is executed or not? Yes, here. Now automatically that message is executed. Observe here, insufficient funds. Simple. That's why coding you are writing, then only your applications are working in a project side. Suppose here now, okay, so now I'm putting a what ATM card, in ATM machine, my account number 1001, scanning only. Here I try to withdraw, yes, 500 rupees, for example. Whenever 500 rupees I try to withdraw, possible. Why? Because 500 is less than the where 2000. That's why here 5,000 is the user entered amount is less than the very available balance. How much? 2,000 rupees in my account number side. Then update. Yes, that is affected only. And now really correct? Yes. Observe it here. Yes. Now I'm pressing enter key. Transaction successful. It will display message or not? Why? Because I am writing transaction successful like this. Okay, here a transaction successful. And also I am withdrawing what 500 rupees means remaining balance how much? 1,500. 1,500 is available or not? I'm checking. So now here, yes, here really that is correct. Yes, here in my database table. Yes, here observe it here. Select star from bank like this automatically. Yes, 1,500 is there or not? How much beautiful. Because how it will be saved is tomorrow also I'm checking also 1,500 only there. Why? Because here in this coding only you are observing or not. Commit I'm giving save. What is save means we are learning practically. That's why this type of coding is required in some commercial applications only in a project side. That's why in that case PLSQL coding is required. Okay, PLSQL language is required. So many applications are there. Not only banking applications, so many applications side. PLSQL also required. That's why it's so nowadays PLSQL developers so much of demand. Now here, yes, actually, so many database applications are okay. Oracle main, otherwise SQL Server, otherwise MySQL. Like same similar concepts. Okay, not only that one, just observe here, so many real applications are there. Suppose here, so many fellows are, I am also, you are also interested to purchase items in an online shopping portal, no? Maybe Flipkart, maybe Amazon, like that one. In that case, whenever you are receiving a parcel, order number or order ID is there. How it will be generated is a Oracle code. Oracle means PLSQL coding. Suppose, for example, I'm telling a small example because so many fellows are good at what online shopping portal. No, suppose here now today I'm interested to purchase a one item through the online shopping portal. So now either maybe Flipkart, otherwise Amazon. So many sites are there. Suppose I'm opening okay in my now here system only, otherwise mobile only www.flipkart.com for example. Okay, I'm interested to purchase a one item. For example, just observe here how much easy. Now, actually, these browsers are connected to the where web servers. That is everyone knows. Maybe in a technical persons are there. Those persons are well-known persons, web servers. Otherwise, Java, .NET programmers are well-known, very good knowledge in a where web servers. Other persons doesn't know also not about web application sites. But unfortunately, web servers does not store large amount of data. These web servers, okay, so now always connect to the where database servers. Database means we are learning in our course side. Here only it will be storing a what? A large amount of data. So now these are database server. Suppose here this is a Oracle, for example, or SQL server. Okay, so now here or Sybase or MySQL like this Oracle. This is called a database server. Okay, fine. Servers this one. Database server. Oracle is a one product. That's all. Okay, fine. Database server. Now check it out. How much okay, easy. Suppose yesterday what I am telling, whenever we are installing a Oracle or SQL Server DB2 means those are relational data model products. That is what is the meaning of that one. Structured collection of data is there. Here table format only data is there. Suppose here table format only data is there. Here, for example, Oracle backend is a what? A database is there, Oracle. In that case, here, this is a order master table is there. Okay, in these type of commercial applications, Flipkart, Amazon, like this only. Here, order master, order details, so many tables are there. Big names only, don't worry. Project side, I am telling. In this table, always here, some columns are there. Here, order ID or order number. Here, order date, item name, price, quantity, like this, which date it will be delivered. Like this, only so many details are available. Okay, fine. Observe it here, slowly observe it here. Why I am drawing this one means now you are understandable. This order ID in a real-time project side, they are taking a what? Primary key. So in a database also, not only Oracle, primary key. Primary key means unique identification of the record in a table. It does not accept duplicate or null value. Something is there. Now what happened? Observe here. What happened? Observe. Suppose I am a customer, for example. I don't know database. I don't know so no web server. Suppose in my so now here mobile, I'm opening a what? A www.sonoflipkart.com, for example. Whenever I'm opening, what is the purpose? Means I'm mentally decided to purchase a one item today. That's why I try to book one item. For example, some options are there. Through that one, I'm booking one item. Then this web browser connect to the where web server. But web server does not store these details only. This web server connect to the where some other process there. Web server connect to the where database server. This is the entire architecture. Now in this case, order number automatically generated. This primary key automatically generated. Here order ID or order number 1111 anything. Item name, price. Okay, so now here is like this. Again, yes, in a worldwide, so many fellows are interested to purchase same item may be possible. I am also purchasing, you are interested to purchase, another fellow also interested to purchase. That's why another fellow also just here opening a what a website, okay, www.flipkart.com. Again, he is also okay, booking a same item, for example, same item, maybe. Okay, fine. Then this web browser connect to the web server connect to the very database server. In this database server, same order number or different order number? Different order number. That same order number, how can I? Now here, yes, different order number automatically generated. Okay. But same item name, but price may be variations. Okay, coupon code, something is there or not. Some persons are having a what transaction. So many things are there. Okay, fine. Now again observe it here, date is there. And now again another fellow also in a worldwide same item he is interested to book a what same item. Then this web browser they are opening, web browser come to the web server come to the very database server. Here automatically another number is generated, random number, okay, anything also, order ID. Now your item name maybe same, and now here again price same or different, your ownership. Price is what variations, okay, fine. Address different only, phone number different, like this only. That's why here how these primary key values are automatically generated means in a real-time project side always one concept is there. What is that one? Auto increment is a concept is there. Maybe Java developers also well-known persons. Auto increment is a concept. How they are implementing a what? This auto increment concept means in a Oracle project side here. Okay, so now here, yes, some concepts are there, some coding is there, PlSql coding they are writing. Triggers are there, within the trigger they are writing a sequences, SQL sequence they are writing means automatically generated a primary key values are generated. Very important. That's why in this case also PLSQL is required or not, some coding is required. Suppose nowadays, okay, so now Indian government, they are telling only in a March 31st, yes, here, last edit of the where PAN card and Aadhaar card link status only. How we are checking that one means, how we are developing that website means, status checking means, yes, Oracle projects or SQL Server or DB2 anything, how they are writing coding means procedures. That's a procedure I am writing blindly without any knowledge also. That's why so many things are there. Okay, fine. And now here, check it out. Here in your mobile also, yes, date is displayed, a time is displayed. These are all the things, how it will be displayed. Okay, select statement only, union all, queries only. That is automatically displayed. That's why always so many very interesting applications are there in a worldwide only in a database. Okay, now here, that's why always what I am telling, not only SQL language, but also another language is there, demo class, no, another language there, PLSQL also required. That's why better to learn a what properly whenever you are joining anywhere a Oracle course, anywhere, not only me, anywhere also, better to learn a what these two languages. Okay, these two languages only they are telling a what in that course only, don't worry. But some fellows are SQL, they are attending PLSQL, they are not attending, means not, that is not good. Why? Because nowadays software industry, so now here is so many bad, so now Java, .NET, Python, these programmers also procedures. Today procedure I'm writing, no, that procedures knowledge is required in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter, how it will be interacting with the what front end. So now what happened in a where when we are facing a what challenges in a where these type of application level, these are all the things you are familiar. Then only easily you are handling only. That's why learner stage only better to learn like that. But unfortunately, some fellows having a doubt only. Murali sir, okay, we are learning a what? This course only. Okay, fine. Oracle course we are learning. But what is the use? Suppose I am a latest programmer 2023. I'm not a data science programmer. I'm a normal programmer only. Then really this database knowledge is helpful, 100% helpful. How you are understandable means, suppose for example, okay, what type of jobs are available in this course only have an idea, then maybe easily you are also, oh, maybe this course is helpful or not, you are only checking based on requirement. Suppose here, now I am telling only, now concentrate here, slowly observe it here. According to my experience, I am telling only, suppose this Oracle course we are learning means, in that case, SQL, PLSQL languages, they are telling also, just observe it here. Oracle course, what type of jobs are available means, observe it here. According to my experience, I am telling. Now observe it here. Most of the 2023 programmers, maybe I am observing, maybe 2023 passed outs. Otherwise, 2022 also passed outs are there. No, those persons interested to learn what some front-end languages. Suppose, for example, some fellows are interested to learn nowadays Python is there or not? Hot cake only Python. Because so many opportunities are there Python side, that's why they are learning. Again, in olden days and nowadays also some fellows are more coding, they're interested in Java. Some fellows are learning what a PHP like this. Now these type of languages. So many languages. These languages they are learning means, what is the meaning of that one? Actually, most of the now here, yes, Java, .NET, Python, PHP, these type of applications are, okay, languages are which is used to implement web-based applications. Without any knowledge also, I'm showing today fastly, web browser, web server, database server, I'm telling, no, roughly. And now here, those type of applications are called web-based applications actually. That's why I'm showing only web-based applications. Whenever we are implementing a web-based application also, minimum database knowledge is required. Minimum knowledge is required. Otherwise, they are unable to handle the projects. That's why who are interested to work in a web-based applications, those persons are interested to learn a one backend only. Backend means database only, one backend. That okay, so now backend is a most of the time is Oracle. Oracle only they are learning. In a Oracle, SQL, PLSQL languages they are learning. At least fundamentals they want. That's why whenever you are a Java programmer, you are attending an interview. what they're asking of most of the interviewers. Okay, your front-end language concepts you are telling, but the database knowledge also why required means so many applications are there. Don't worry, JDBC application side, database knowledge is required. Okay, so now here JP application side, but database knowledge is required. In a .NET programmer, ADO.NET application side, okay, database knowledge is required. That's why whenever you are Java, Python, or .NET, PHP, these programmers attending interview, some queries are there. Maybe anybody observing, anybody attending a what interviews? Those persons facing a problem, write a query to display nth highest salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows, write a query to display second highest salary employee. Why they're asking that queries? Fixed queries they're asking. In a occasion of your yes complexity also they are not asking, simple queries they are asking. Why? Because those queries universal concept in all database, that same thing is there in SQL language. Some fellows are designing a what that queries only. That query really you are writing means not so easy. That okay, so minimum knowledge is there, then only those persons are able to write a what those queries only. That's why interviewer directly they are asking that one. Now, without learning what Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, any database you don't know means that questions are failure. Failure means they're rejected. There is no chance. Nowadays, competition is very high. No, more knowledge is there. Those persons having a more demanded. Suppose here so many fellows are they are telling only layoffs are there. Okay, fine, correct. I'm agree. But unfortunately, whenever more experience is there means those persons only facing a problem. But less experience means now your salary is what more salary is not there also. Yes, your good skills are there, then how much vocation of your hike they want means they are giving now still. Why? Because subject, because these are technical, pure technical concepts only. Technically strong knowledge is there, that is that person is very helpful in a project side, very helpful. Suppose I'm doing the what okay, so now some task in a where so now 5 hours 6 hours I'm taking a time, for example. I'm not a more experienced person, for example. You are a okay experienced person in our team. You are available means same task within okay 15 minutes you are completed. How much time is saving? That is experience. Technical concepts. Suppose one or two persons, strong persons are there in the team, that other persons are not good at what anything also. They are guiding only. Okay, so now guidance they are giving. Okay, this is the way you are refer. Your task is like this. You are okay weak in this area. Yes, you have to refer that one in a net only. Those all the things they are giving a guidance. Then based on that persons, automatically the team is very fastly completed task. That's why subject is most powerful compared to anything in a where in a pure technical field. This one pure technical. Some fellows are management skills, that is different only. Now here, yes, that's what technical I'm telling. That's why who are good at what, okay, very interested to. So now if you're working a where real application like this web-based application means those persons also minimum knowledge is required. That's why those persons are learning what, maybe most of the persons are Oracle. Some persons .NET persons are work, so now learning about SQL Server like that only. Maybe those persons are learning about this database. Okay, this type of persons first time are now here newcomers. Okay, but unfortunately another type of persons also learning about this course. What is that one means? Suppose some fellows are passed out in a where 2000 year, otherwise 2001 year, sorry 2020 are now here, otherwise 2021 like this only they are passed out 2019 like this. But unfortunately maybe in a reason side they are unable to get a job, maybe corona, maybe anything. Okay, personal issues, so many issues are there. But those persons are not interested in a coding, for example. Maybe gap is there, more gap is there, they are not interested. Those persons are okay, so don't afraid only. Here in my okay, so now classes so many fellows are 2+3+ gap is there. Now here in those persons also interested to learn this course. Why? Because those persons without any front-end language Java, .NET, Python, these languages not doesn't have an idea also. Yes, here in a company side one job is there. What is that one? In a Google you are typing means PlSql developer is a job is there, jobs are there. You have to type it in a where anybody interested to okay, so now checking means PlSql developer is a jobs. So many jobs are there, so many fellows are doesn't know. Competition is very less, but little bit of coding, not a more coding is not there. Little bit of SQL knowledge is there, then PlSql knowledge is there, then easily you are applying. So many our students are well settled in a PLSQL developer because basically I'm a PLSQL developer. I'm more focusing on the way this one only, job oriented like that only. Easily, that subject based only, easily facing a vocational interviews very easy. And now here observed here. That's why these persons are learning what a basic SQL language plus so now PLSQL language they are learning means then automatically they are applying a what a PLSQL developer jobs. PLSQL developer means 2 years, 3 years. They're expecting only gap or anything. Okay, fine. They're maintaining it. But a little bit of Unix or Linux knowledge is also better to know. Why? Because some interviewer asking only. Okay, projects are helpful. But okay, so outside maybe in a YouTube only some commands are there. Through that one you are learning also enough. That's why so many fellows are doesn't know this one, but a PLSQL developer jobs are there. These persons doesn't know any other technologies also not a problem. Java, .NET, Python, okay, any tools that doesn't know also not a problem. That's why these persons also learning what interested to learning what this Oracle course. Because in that one PLSQL, SQL they're telling or not. Again, another type of jobs are there. What type of jobs means? Suppose data warehousing technology is there in a worldwide. Maybe anybody having idea? OLTP online transaction processing was like Oracle SQL Server DB2. Again, OLAP is there. Online analytical processing is there. In a future, you are learning what is analytical processing like that. In that one, data warehousing technology is there. In the data warehousing technology, very easy way getting a job compared to these type of technologies only. Yes, because very less coding, less coding only. Actually, in a way, in a data warehousing technology side, two types of jobs are there. One is ETL developer jobs are there. These ETL developers also, most of the developers are interested to learn what Oracle. Why? Because basic SQL knowledge is required. These ETL developers are, yes, your minimum basic SQL enough, PLSQL not required. PLSQL means stored procedure, you have an idea means better, but SQL knowledge is compulsory. That's why ETL developers are basic SQL knowledge, they have an idea, plus one ETL tool they are learning only. In a worldwide ETL tools, so many tools are there. No, in a one of the tool you are learning means easily you are getting a job. So much of salaries also there. You have to check it out in your work, relatives, anybody working. Those persons giving a guidance only. Maybe ETL tools means which tools are available. Now here nowadays talent. Yes, a popular tool only, talent tool only. Okay, fine. So now this one jobs are available. Otherwise, olden days, Informatica. Nowadays also so many jobs are there in Informatica. Informatica tool they are learning only. Informatica tool. These are also popular tools only. Informatica. In a worldwide, Informatica, so many fellows are working. Informatica tool. Otherwise, data stage is a tool. That is less jobs are there like that. That's why who are having a gap is there. Okay, they are not interested in a more coding means maybe housewives and okay, so now say anybody having a more gaps. They are GUI tools. They are learning interested means this data warehouse technology in a tool they are learning. And these persons also basic SQL required. That's why they are joining a what this Oracle course because that course they are learning means maybe sub queries and all these things they are telling interview they are not facing a problem. Again, project side also very easy, I think. That's why those persons also learning interested to learn what this Oracle course only. That's why very helpful. Yes, in a different son of your area side because nowadays more powerful actually database. Anywhere also it will be there. Again, what some type of developers are there in a where in a data warehousing technology, report programmers. These are called business analysts actually. So now the business analysts only. Business analysts. Maybe so many fellows are having a terminology. Now here report programmer, but I am writing was business analysts only. These business analysts are also called as report programmers only. These type of programmers are very easy, their jobs only, report programmer. Okay, compared to ETL programmer, that easy. Okay, these programmers only. That's why nowadays Power BI tools, so many fellows are interested to learn. No, yes, in a data warehousing technology, that one also. Now here, yes, here popular tool. Okay, yes, these persons also minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Basic enough basic SQL knowledge. Okay, what is going on? At least they have an idea. PLSQL also not required. Here, then reporting tool they are learning only. Reporting tool they are learning. Okay, fine. Some tools are there, GUI tools. courses they are telling only in a worldwide institutes or anywhere also. Now here, yes, anybody working professionals are there. From that one, you are learning possible. Reporting tool, popular tools, which one? Nowadays, Tab View is a what popular tool. Some fellows are learning a what Tab View tool only. And some fellows are interested to learn a what quick view tool only. Some fellows are interested to learn a what. So now here, yes, here nowadays Power BI tool is there. Power BI means I am preferring Power BI very easy. Okay, popular tool, so many opportunities are there, I am agree. But Power BI, anybody interested to learn means better to go for SQL Server is a backend compared to Oracle. Why? Because there is a Microsoft technology. That's why Power BI tool, anybody interested to learn is better to go for SQL Server database better. Okay. Yeah. Compared to where Oracle only. Okay. Yes. Yeah. And otherwise, old and report programmer BOs. Okay. BO programmers are there. Those persons also learning a what. So now here, yes, this basic SQL in a where basic SQL language in a Oracle side. Okay. Yes. Here. Again. Some other fellows, other type of jobs are there. Some fellows are okay. SAP, have an idea? ERP is there, no? Same like a what SAP, Oracle apps, ERP is there. Oracle applications are there. Oracle apps, 11. Okay, ERP is there. Oracle applications, ERP is there. There's okay, who are working in a where ERP 11. Those persons also interested to learn this course. Why? Because basic SQL knowledge plus not a basic PLSQL, strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Strong PLSQL knowledge is required. That is interfaces there, inbound, outbound interfaces there, writing only, flex fields are there. So many things are there. APR, GL, okay, modules are there, HRMS like that. In that case, strong PLSQL knowledge is there. Those persons are surveying only. Okay, that's why so many fellows are interested to learn this course. Here, bulk bind, okay, so now advanced concepts, collections, index per table, nested table, VRI, RIF cursors, UTL file packages. These are all the advanced external tables. Those all the things they are handling only. That's a strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Those persons also interested to learn what this course. Okay, nowadays latest programmers means data science. So many fellows are okay interested in a worldwide job is a what a data science only. In that data science side, always everyone knows one front end language required and back end also required only. That's why those persons also one front end language they are learning Java, .NET, Python like that only. Plus here one database in a database. Maybe so many fellows are interested to learn a what Oracle database. Again, some other type of programmers are there. Hadoop programmers are there. Those persons also, yes, database knowledge is required or not. A minimum basic SQL knowledge is enough. PLSQL is not required. Those persons also, yes, interested to learn a what Oracle course. Not only that one, so many different type of programmers. Observe it here. Actually, SAP HANA is there. No? SAP, okay, so ERP is there, HANA is there. These persons also basic SQL knowledge is required. In SQL's language side, views are there, no? Views, joins, these type of concepts they are learning only. Okay, those persons also interested to learn what Oracle course. Not only these persons, nowadays here Oracle Cloud is there. Oracle Cloud. Okay, so now here, yes, in that ERP also latest. Okay, so now in a basic minimum SQL knowledge is required. Otherwise, OBI developers are there. That OBI plus PLSQL knowledge is required only. Otherwise, so now here testing tools. Some fellows are interested to learn what testing tools only. Maybe manual testing, automation testing. Some knowledge is there. No, yes, here. Suppose your manual testing everyone knows, but automation testing side, QTP is a olden days tool is there. Nowadays, Selenium or database testing, this type of tools side also, minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why those persons also interested to learn about this course. Not only that one, Pega systems also, they are learning about interested to learn about this minimum basic in a database only. Yes, otherwise they are not interested in these type of jobs. Means some fellows are administration, they are interested. Administration means Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA. These type of jobs are there. Those persons also interested to learn about database administrators only, DBA jobs only. Those persons also interested to learn about this course only, minimum basics. That's why anywhere also, yes, this course is helpful. More times, okay, so now this is helpful only. Okay, now yes, here. Okay, na? Yes, yeah, but that's why so many areas are there. This knowledge is very helpful only. In olden days, database same like front end, back end only they are using only. But nowadays, so many applications are there. Whenever data science is coming, whenever Hadoop is coming, in that case, SQL plays a major important role. Nowadays, anywhere also ads you are observing only in a net or anything. Everywhere, everyone telling what minimum basic SQL, minimum basic. But once you are learning what a SQL language is there, no, some basic joins, constraints, subqueries, then anything also you are handling. Anything, any type of database also you are handling only in a project side. Confidence level is different. Through the project you are learning means that it will take a time. Confidence level is less than they are afraid only. Okay, fine. But outside only learning means then that is very helpful only, very fast access and all these things they're handling only. Okay, yes, that's why they're interested to learn about this course. Not only back end job, at least minimum basic knowledge is required in aware in a database. That's why they are interested to learn about this course. According to your requirement, you have to learn. Okay, maybe you're a Java programmer means which concepts they're using in a very database, that concepts only you are concentrating, all the things not required. You are a PlSql developer means which area we are using only. You are a ETL developer means which area they are using. Some concepts are there in a database, some particular concepts, particular area, it is useful only. That you have an idea in a net only nowadays, so you are typing means based on your requirement, you are utilize that knowledge enough. Minimum basics and also which concepts they are using in a project side, you have an idea means easily you are getting a job. Easily this course is very helpful in aware in your project. Okay, na? Yes, up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow maybe we are starting our classes. Okay, yeah. So now tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Another class is there. Tomorrow will continue. Okay, na? Yeah. These are all the things. So many things whenever in a number of days I'm telling also so many things are there, but we are starting this better. Okay, yeah. The non-technical persons also learning what this one, not a problem. Okay, yeah, very easy, understandable. Compared to any other software language in the world wide, Oracle easy. Because some commands only just the first initial stage we are typing something means easily understandable. Okay, thank you so much for attending this class. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Pre-request is also not required. Once you are starting in a practical means easy, you are understandable. Okay, yeah. Yes, management will provide a what a video classes, and also PDF file is there in this material only they are providing. Okay, you have to ask management, they're sending. Don't worry. In all batches, they are sending. I am giving a notes also in a where class only. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Just attended 1 or 2 days, just observe it. Okay, yeah. You have to ask and inquiry how the courses are there. That is helpful or not. Maybe you are comfortable, then join. Otherwise, not a problem. Okay, yeah. Money and time is very important. No? Yeah. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you.